Saturday, or aka the 4th of March 2026. Currently 20 past 10 and 27 degrees with a light shower. As you can see, meant to get quite a bit of rain today, but as you can see, everyone's still out enjoying the day. Less people fishing today, obviously. They don't want to stand in the rain. Even with the umbrella, it makes it a little bit hard for the wind. It's quite windier than usual. Really putting this umbrella to the test today. See the jellyfish? They'll be out in force today, those jellyfish. What a unique jellyfish, that one. The funny thing about the rain here is it comes from both ways. One minute it's coming one way, the other minute it comes the other. How you going, lad? Yeah, good. Caught anything yet?
Oh, yeah.
Not yet. Rainy day. A windy rainy day. People up at the point. So it settles down in here because we've got the lovely shops surrounding us now. So rain or sunshine, the weather's always fine here. This is the place to be. I hope you enjoyed this morning's walk. Don't forget to subscribe and share so people can see what Cairns is like. I'm Grass Pepper. Have a lovely day.
Hi everyone, please support Grass Pepper. Grass Pepper is amazing and needs your help. Every bit of support makes a difference.